currently in Edinburgh and we are going to explore Perth. So in this video I'm going to show you how you can travel to Perth by public transport, what places to visit and how to have fun in one day in Perth from Edinburgh. So come follow me. Bring the tickets out. So I have the ticket number and I have my original card where I booked the ticket from. So we just need to go to collect prepaid tickets which we have already paid, and then we insert the payment card which I'm doing now, and then we'll ask to remove it.
After you remove your card, the system will give you the tickets, and then you're ready for your journey. Here we are taking a train from Haymarket to Perth. It's a direct train, but there will be so many stops in between. You can also take the train directly from Edinburgh station.
So we thought that we are the only people who are gonna traveling to Perth, but that's not the case. The train is totally full and we didn't even get a proper seat. But that's fine. I'm still excited.
But where is your window seat?
Whatever. I'll try to sneak from other people's windows to get the good views.
Step 1, wake up early, gonna rise with the sun. Step 2, get some food in you. Step 3, think real hard about what you wanna be. Step 4, everybody just do your thing.
Finally, we have reached Perth. It was very long journey to be honest, but it's worth it.
Yeah.
Scenic.
Absolutely. It was so scenic and there were some views which I hadn't seen. We saw seal, we saw sea, we saw
Deer.
mountains, deer, so many things. So we are just out of the Perth and we are gonna explore the city center and grab a coffee so we can explore the day better, right?
Yeah, what is this?
This is English tea.
Where is tea in it?
Here.
It looks so bad to be honest. It was just water, milk and this tea bag. And we paid around 300 rupees for this thing. We wanted to try something new. It's okay. We'll see how it is.
Obviously it's not gonna be great. We know how milk and water taste like, so whatever. I'm gonna be happy about it.
And Shay, what is this? This thing?
This is
Their specialty.
yeah, their specialty. They said something about the name, but I can't remember it.
How is it, Shay? I make better tea, right?
Yes, definitely. much better. I'm so grateful for you now. After coming to Perth, it made me try the English tea and a Scottish dessert called Moringa, which was like a little donut filled with butter, and it was super tasty. Can't say the same thing about the tea, but now we are all set to move to the next place
Trenting Garden,
and
and then we'll be going to Canul
hill. And because the weather is not very sunny, it's very dreamy and it's very cloudy, so it looks very dreamy. the tea effect. Anyway, we are gonna head to the next place and hopefully forget about the English tea we just had. Basically, we moved from city center to Canol Hill and we are still on the way, but the view is breathtaking. It's overlooking the Tay River and there's a forest, but the colors are so pleasing to the eye. decided to go to Branklin Garden because we have to reach to Kannur Hill, and that's our priority. And because it's already half day, we don't want to miss going on the hills. So that's why we are now moving to Kannur Hill.
Like 26-minute walk from here. So
Yeah.
let's see how it will be.
Yeah, the
Hopefully
view is
it will be good.
yeah, the view is gorgeous. So we are enjoying this walk. So we followed the Google to reach to Kannur Hill, which is looking lovely. We enjoyed the views along the way, but it seems that Google have made us lose our way. There's no way that we can reach Kannur Hill now. It's been 40 minutes since we are walking. And why I'm saying this, because there was some gentleman passing and I was like, can you please help us knowing how to reach Kannur Hill? And he asked if you guys have a car or not, because it doesn't seem that we can reach Kannur Hill by walk. Now we are gonna go back in Perth and enjoy the little things in the city.
Disappointed that we couldn't reach Kannur Hill, we saw this activity center and we thought we'll go and do kayaking. It was a sudden plan made by Maddie, so I was surprised because we have never done it.
Maddie, why are you excited?
Finally we'll be doing kayak.
Yes.
Which I was waiting.
Yes, we were waiting to do kayak since last year, and for some reason we were delaying it. And it seems that today is the perfect day to do kayaking in Perth. I'm super nervous because I have never done this, and
Same here, even I have not done it.
I'm a little scared of water, to be honest.
But will not be drowned
Why?
because they will have swimsuit, right? That will be
Yeah.
floating.
Yeah, I guess. So
And
that
I am also there, man. I can swim. I will save you.
I don't know. I don't trust you, but
Even I
yeah,
don't trust myself.
let's do it. Yay! All set. I've got a wetsuit and I've got a lost and found shoes. Basically, you need to bring a shoes and something to wear inside, which you don't mind getting wet. But the problem was that we didn't decide. This was a sudden plan, and I hope this is a good plan because I'm super nervous. I have never done this before. But this place, it's very pretty and it's very nice, and there was an instructor who's gonna tell us also how to manage the boat inside the water. And apparently you can't be drowned in this outfit, so that's giving me hope as well. So we are finally ready in our suits.
Our next stop was Scone Palace in Perth.
This is day one.
After this, we went to this Black and Brown's restaurant and had a little bite, and after this, we headed to Kannur Hill once again. We reached to Jubilee Car Park, and here it was clear direction where should we go. There were so many big trails, but we decided to do the shorter one because it was already getting super late.
So Google didn't help us, but our destiny did. We met some friends and we have drove to this place, which we saw from down there. Now we are up here and it's beautiful. I'm gonna show you. What do you think about this, Maddie?
It's too good. The landscape is mesmerizing.
It is amazing. So let me show you. Okay. Mary, to be honest, I didn't feel that the Perth travel day is gonna turn out to be like this amazing place where we are not only exploring the places, but we are also exploring meeting new people.
We tried kayaking for first time and
Yeah.
that was awesome
Yeah.
and worth it.
City Centre, to be honest, it was not as great as it is as in Edinburgh or Glasgow, but the places around here is definitely worth making efforts for. Don't wait for a good weather, just move out of your houses. Enjoy the fullest of the summer that we have left here in Scotland. I hope you like this vlog, and for more such updates, keep watching.
Only Disha.
Yay!